Do introverts succeed by working quietly? Or do extroverts succeed by meeting people and building connections? We all wonder why some people succeed and others don't. Is it hard work or luck? Many people slow their own progress. They talk about ideas before they act on them. When we speak too much, our energy goes into talking, not doing. In today's story, we'll see how oversharing can hurt your growth and how keeping plans quiet can help you move faster. Watch this video till the end to learn how to work quietly towards success. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Lucas. He was very smart and full of dreams. He wanted to change his life and become successful, but he had one problem. He shared his dreams with everyone. Whenever a new idea came into his mind, he instantly said it in front of people. What happened next? Some people praised him. The praise gave him a fake happiness that didn't last. Others argued and changed his mind with their opinions. Soon, his head was full of what-ifs, and he felt confused. With so many dreams and no results, Lucas traveled to another city to meet his grandfather, who was known for making wise decisions and achieving his goals. "Dear Grandpa," Lucas said, "I have many dreams and big hopes for my future. But years are passing. I don't see results. I'm losing hope, and my peace is gone. My mind is always restless." Grandpa asked, "My child, do you keep your goals to yourself, or do you share them with others?" "I share them with everyone," Lucas replied. "It makes me feel motivated, like I'm moving towards something good. But in reality, I never reach the goal." Grandpa nodded. "This is the problem, my son. Most people are busy with their own lives. Some will smile in front of you but feel envy inside. Some will act helpful, yet hide the information that could truly help you. Success is not a place, it is a journey. In this journey, learn to stay quiet and let results speak for you. Let me tell you a story. There was a very intelligent farmer named Uncle Thomas with decades of experience. He loved researching agriculture, but he had one weakness. He shared all his ideas with the village. One day, he heard on the radio that the next 3 years would bring drought. All the farmers became worried. Without rain, their crops would die and their families would suffer. But Uncle Thomas stayed calm. While many farmers were talking in the field, they asked, "Uncle Thomas, you look relaxed. Aren't you worried about the drought?" "No," he said. "I have a plan. I will grow date trees. Once their roots go deep, they don't need much water from above. They can survive on the little moisture in the soil. I'll pass the drought by planting dates." After sharing this million-dollar idea, Uncle Thomas went to sleep. News of the idea spread like fire. By morning, every farmer rushed to buy date seeds. When Uncle Thomas woke up, the shops were empty. Not a single seed was left in the village. He searched everywhere but found none. The other farmers planted date seeds and survived the drought. But Uncle Thomas had nothing to plant. He struggled so much that he finally had to sell his land to feed his family. Uncle Thomas learned a hard truth. A good idea is born from years of learning and research. One good idea can be worth a fortune. If you give away your idea before you use it, You're giving away your fortune without even knowing it. Lucas smiled and promised his grandpa, "From now on, I will stop sharing my ideas and intentions with everyone. I will work in silence and let success speak for me." The key to success is a good idea plus quiet, disciplined work. Do not share your ideas until you have real, fruitful results. And share only what won't harm your personal growth while helping others. In today's story, we learned new English words and sentences. If you liked the story, leave a comment below, and I'll be back soon with another motivational story.